In a landmark ceremony attended by senior military officials on Thursday in Iran's southern port of Bandar Abbas, the Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, Navy welcomed its first domestically developed drone carrier, the IRIS Shahid Bagheri, into its fleet. The drone carrier, a converted commercial container ship repurposed in the course of 2 years, honors Bahman Bagheri, an IRGC commander martyred during the fight against Saddam Hussein's invasion of Iran. Rear Admiral Alireza Tangsiri, commander of the IRGC Navy, hailed the vessel as a maritime UAV and helicopter carrier able to conduct missions across the oceans. Equipped with a 180-meter runway, the Shahid Bagheri warship accommodates multiple squadrons of unmanned aircraft, including the Ababil-3, Mohajer-6, and the advanced Qaher-313 stealth drones. Beyond its drone capabilities, the carrier features short and medium-range air defense systems, cruise missiles, and guided subsurface vessels, enhancing its ability to counter aerial and maritime threats, according to the IRGC. Furthermore, the warship has an operational range of 22,000 nautical miles and can sustain year-long missions in distant waters without refueling, a feat attributed to its MAN B&W diesel engine and 41,978-ton displacement. Onboard facilities, including a hospital with surgical units, sports amenities, and logistical support, also reflect its design for extended deployments. Another significant feature of the Shahid Bagheri drone carrier is its integration of electronic warfare and signal intelligence (SIGINT) systems, further amplifying its effectiveness in asymmetric warfare. Major General Mohammad Bagheri, Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, was another high-ranking military official to address the new addition. Just as foreign vessels operate near our waters, we reserve the right to safeguard shipping routes from the Strait of Hormuz to the Indian Ocean, the top general stated. The deployment of the drone carrier is intended to guarantee sustainable security for regional waters, and is equipped to respond to any destabilizing foreign presence, if necessary, Bagheri added. Military expert Mehdi Bakhtiari, in an interview with the Tehran Times, highlighted the significance of the Navy's advancements. Because of its new missions in international waters, the IRGC Navy has started to design and construct new suitable vessels. Among these are the Shahid Soleimani-class vessels, which were unveiled a couple of years ago. Bakhtiari noted the common practice of converting commercial vessels into military ones. This approach is both practical and efficient, he commented, pointing to the Macron logistics ship as an example. He emphasized that the Shahid Bagheri drone carrier, capable of remaining at sea for a year, extends the IRGC's operational reach far beyond the Persian Gulf. Bakhtiari underscored the importance of drones in Iran's defense strategy, stating, "Iranian drones are among the best globally, capable of conducting combat and reconnaissance missions over long distances." The new drone carrier will deploy various types of drones, enhancing the IRGC's capabilities in critical regions such as the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea, the expert explained. Unimaginable response will ensue threats against nuclear sites. IRGC chief on the sidelines of the inauguration ceremony, IRGC Commander-in-Chief Major General Hossein Salami delivered a stern rebuke to threats against Iran's nuclear facilities, particularly from the Israeli regime. Any aggression will be met with a response so severe and unexpected that its scope will be unimaginable, he stated. We are well acquainted with such threats, which we take seriously, but more importantly, it's our response that counts, Salami said. The commander emphasized Iran's defensive capabilities, saying, "Our advice is that others should not misjudge us and instead base their decisions on the realities of the Islamic Republic of Iran's power." Echoing this resolve, he cited U.S. President Donald Trump's recent acknowledgement of Iran's growing strength. Even our adversaries recognize that Iran is stronger today than ever before. This is one of the most accurate statements Trump has made because he viewed the situation realistically. He further explained, Trump, during his previous 4-year term, understood the power of Iran well and judged based on that reality. Not only has Iran not been weakened, but it has grown significantly stronger than before, and this strength is now clearly evident, Salami concluded.